Gavin has these horses. Is the number of horses in each picture below more than, less than, or same as the number of horses Gavin has? So let's first look at how many horses Gavin has. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses. Okay, so let's remember that. And let's compare each of these amounts of horses to the 6 horses that Gavin has. So let's look over here. So over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses. So this is the same number that Gavin has. They're just arranged differently. So this is the same. We'll put it in the same as bucket. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 horses. So this is less than the 6 horses that Gavin has. 5 is less than 6. Here, and I can just look at this and see that there's more than 6, but we can count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another 5. That's going to be 10. Or we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, 10 is more than 6. 10 is more than 6, so we'll put it in the more than bucket. Now here we have 4 and 4. Well, that's going to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, that is more than the 6 up here. So that's more than 6. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 horses. Well, 4 is less than 6. So I will put that in the less than bucket, just like that. And let's check our answer to see how we did. We got it right.